Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atala Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. First of all, we had the Kamala Harris, Donald Trump first debate. Let's talk about what happened there. Then, just now, a couple of minutes ago, before I started to record this video, the new CPI data is out in the United States. Then also, I would like to talk about PayPal and Venmo. Users can now send crypto payments with ENS names. And finally, we have an Indonesian crypto exchange goes offline after suspected $22 million hack. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and you won't miss a single thing. Also, if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. And now let's start it. And for start, let's look at the prices. We can see that Bitcoin is actually $56,396 US. As I said, when I'm recording this video a couple of minutes ago, the CPI data came out, but the market hasn't really moved in either direction in the first couple of minutes, as you can see it right now. So Ethereum $2,319 US, 1.7 down, Bitcoin 1.5 down. The top gainer Aves now is 6% up, Internet Computer 6% up, and Torchin is 2% up. These are the top gainers. Top losers, Popcat 8% down, Dogwit had 7% down, Notcoin 6% down. So actually no major movement when you're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart. After forming 4 green daily candles, so far today we have a red candle, but nothing major. When we're looking at the dates, how many days we have from the halving, we had 144 days. Still waiting for this 160, 180 range. Until that, this sideways bit downwards movement is totally normal. Right, and now let's talk about the first topic. First topic is about the debate, which was in US time, it was like last night, but here in Europe where I am, it was early morning. So let's talk about that. So when we're looking at it from the crypto perspective, we have to say that they haven't said a single word about crypto. So this is one thing for us. It was an interesting debate, and well, when you watched it, you could see that actually Kamala Harris, she looked kind of cool and in control with some laughs, as she usually does. Trump was a bit, as you can see here, a bit angry sometimes, but there was a reason for it, I believe. And yeah, we had the moderators, the two moderators, they definitely were on Kamala Harris' side. And when actually Trump started to go down, you know, in the chances, in percentages, lost 3% basically during the debate. Bitcoin also started to a little bit going down. And now this is the, well, let me refresh it because this can keep changing. Well, see, now it's 50-49 for Kamala Harris. And if you remember, before the debate yesterday, Donald Trump was leading. So overall, we can say that maybe the debate didn't go that well for him. And one reason was definitely the moderators, because they were fact-checking with Donald Trump continuously why they didn't do it with Kamala Harris. And yeah, overall, I would say that because of this, it was for Trump a difficult position to you know, defend. But you know, it's 5th of November, the election, and this kind of debate was kind of early, like almost beginning of September. The debates are usually a bit later for reasons in October. But anyway, this was now the first one, and they're really neck and neck. So now you cannot really decide who is leading. This data is according to Polymarket, right? So there are, of course, other surfaces, and some of them bring out Donald Trump as a total winner. Another one brings out Kamala. So at the end of the day, we're going to see what's going to happen. But yeah, actually it happened, and it didn't have an impact on the price. It pushed it a little bit down because Donald Trump lost a couple of points, and the general agreement is if Donald Trump wins, it's definitely better for crypto that Kamala wins. But on the other hand, when you're looking at the market, here is the election, beginning of November. And when you're looking at here, the blue line is the 2016 year, and after 2017, so when an election was, even in 2020, when Joe Biden won, after that, Bitcoin price started to go up. So it doesn't mean anything if who wins, the market still can recover because at least we're over it. But with Trump, right now, people believe and experts believe they'll be going to have a better chance for a bullish uptrend. But right now, we are still here before the election. Okay, so this was one thing, what I wanted to say. The second thing, we just came out when I started to record this video, the new CPI data in the US. Well, there's another thing what we watching continuously because what's happening with the inflation, it has an impact on the Fed moves about rate cuts, rate hikes, and pauses. And as you can see here, it's out, and now it is 2.5%, the CPI. So the forecast was 2.5%, and it is 2.5%. And I think pretty much this is the reason why the market hasn't done really anything, especially if you're looking at even the 4-hour. Look, it's kind of sideways, even if it just now happened, because this one was kind of priced in. It would be different if it would be worse. Then we definitely would have a market going down. It would be much better than the forecast. In that case, it's more likely that the market is going higher, but now it was just as it is. However, when you're looking at this, it's a significant decrease, at least the number what they're showing, because we just went under 3%. The expectation was 3% for the July data, which came out in August. And it turned out to be 2.9. Now, this is the August data coming out now in September, and it is 2.5. So definitely what the Fed wants, going in the direction to 2%, which can make them cut rates on the at the FOMC meeting at the 18th of September. So pretty much, next week. And it definitely helps that kind of direction. Okay, next one. PayPal and VenMo users can now send crypto payments with ENS names. So simple. So this is again something new because have now, as I just said, PayPal and VenMo users can now send crypto payments with ENS. So US payment processors PayPal and Venmo have added support for Ethereum name service, meaning that people can send crypto payments to ENS usernames. And the new integration simplifies wallet addresses management and reduce the risk of errors. This is what they're saying. Previously, users had to input long wallet addresses manually or, scan a QR code, creating friction and increasing the risk of sending funds to an incorrect recipients. With ENS, users can now enter ENS names directly into PayPal or Venmo and to automatically retrieve and verify the associated wallet address, with this reducing the risk. So this is definitely something new and interesting. And actually, here if you just think about, Google search recognized ENS names. Then we had GoDaddy support DNS names in ENS. Then we had Uniswap and Coinbase have issued hundreds of thousands of subnames each and growing. And now we have PayPal and Venmo support ENS names for sending crypto. So this is definitely actually a development when it comes to crypto area, how we can make crypto more user-friendly. Okay, and finally, we have an exchange hack. Well, it's not one of the major exchanges, but still, Indonesian crypto exchange Indodax goes offline after suspected 22 million hack. So the exchange suffered a loss of, as I said, approximately 22 million US dollar in various cryptocurrencies, and has since disabled its mobile and web application to investigate the breach. And well, the hacker stole $1.4 million of Bitcoin, 2.4 million from the Tron blockchain tokens, over 14.6 million in various ERC tokens, 2.5 million in the Pole, and 0.9 million ETH from the Optimistic blockchain. And well, they're saying that currently we are conducting a complete maintenance to ensure that the entire system is operating properly. During this maintenance process, the Indodax web platform and applications are temporarily inaccessible. But bottom line, guys, it's very important. Do not keep and store your crypto on exchanges, because it's not your crypto if it's not your private key. It's very important to store it for yourself. Do it safely. It's very important. But I personally leave on exchanges maybe something, what you would like to trade, or you just want to buy something. But the rest, it should be, I think, offline, because now, you cannot access the exchange. What if the market is doing now something, and what if you would like to act on it? You cannot, because you cannot access it. And well, recently it's not happening too many exchanges, these kind of hacks. It was rather in the past more common, but look at this, it still happens. So you never know which one could be the next one. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, which I think it is, then definitely hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay up to date, and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.